Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. You're watching Tech World YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Solana from Binance to a ledger. So for those people that do not know Binance is a top crypto trading platform where guys combine, so crypto and ledger is basically like a hardware storage where you guys can store your cryptos. Remember, when you store your crypto into a ledger, basically unless you plug in the ledger into the device, then you can't access your crypto. So basically, it's also called cold storage, which means like nobody can, hack into your system and capture your crypto or transfer crypto from your ledger, because unless you plug in the ledger into a device, no one can, transfer the crypto from your ledger to another place. So basically, how you guys can transfer your crypto into a ledger is by getting the ledger address. So basically like how we transfer crypto into other place, like let's say I want to transfer my crypto from Binance to Coinbase, I need to get my wallet address of Coinbase. That's basically similarly you need to get the wallet address of your ledger. How they can do that is you can plug in the ledger into the computer and get the wallet address. So this time we are going to be transferring Solana, so let me show you first Solana, but before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment, and if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. So let's move on, shall we? First we want to come to Binance. Come and log in into your account. After you do that, just go on Wallet Coin Overview over here. Once Coin Wallet and Overview, the next step is want to go on Recess Withdraw, because we want to withdraw our crypto from Binance into our ledger. Now once you're over here, basically it's going to be Bitcoin by default, but we don't want to go for a Bitcoin burn, go for Solana. So type Sol A in it. You guys can see, Solana is also known as, so you can click on it after you do that, so none is going to be shown over here. Now basically over here it says address, you need to get the wallet address of your Solana from your ledger. Alright, so there's going to be a wallet address of Solana in your ledger. If there's not, then you need to update your ledger, like whichever ledger you're using. You can go to the website to update it. Then after updating it, you can see your Solana option as well. After seeing Solana, you can get the wallet address. After getting the wallet address, paste the wallet address over here. Now remember, you need to base the correct wallet address. If you modified even a single word, it's going to go to the wrong place. So just keep that in mind. After pasting the wallet address from the ledger over here, you need to select the network. It often selects the network automatically, but if it doesn't, then you can select it yourself. And after doing that, you can enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, and there's going to be a withdrawal button over here. Once you click on withdraw, it's going to be transferred into your ledger. Now remember, to transfer your crypto into your ledger, you need to plug it into your device. For us, so I'm transferring it from a laptop, so I need my ledger to be plugged in into this laptop. Alright, so that's basically how we guys can do it. So I hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And I will see you guys in my next video.